Hello friends, hope doing good. Today I'll show you how to change your iPhone name. So it's the pretty easy. Don't take long time. You can change within few seconds. All right. So first you should go to settings. Then you should go general. Then you just tap about. All right. There is showing the name. Sam iPhone 14 Pro. If you want to change name, then you should just change the name according to your need. So that's it. Thank you for the watching. Please like this video and subscribe our channel if you need any more video and which specific topics you can just mention on comment box. Then I will make. Thank you so much. Bye bye.